Hi, welcome to the second episode of the Konan Journey. In the last episode, I mentioned that the windscreen was cracked just before its third birthday. So in this episode, I would like to share with you my experience in solving the windscreen crack problem. I went to Auto Glass Venture, which is one of the appointed workshops by my car insurance company. However, as the crack was close to the edge of the windscreen, the staff was unable to fix the crack. Instead, the whole windscreen had to be replaced. Therefore, I visited Auto Glass Venture again few days later to get the whole windscreen replaced. The downtime was about 2 to 3 hours. With the windscreen replaced, the windscreen is now smooth and has no cracks, which is the minimum expectation. For my review on Auto Glass Venture, the staff were very friendly and they had very good workmanship on the windscreen installation, and the lady boss was quite accommodating to my request. So I would highly recommend this workshop, but only if you have a windscreen crack hole. Oh wait, I haven't talked about solar foam. This windscreen does not come with solar foam, so I need to find a workshop to install the solar foam. So I went to Jerga Details to install the solar foam. The staff at Jerga Details recommend me the Ultimate KX80 solar foam as it is LTA compliant, and the downtime was about 2 hours. After a few days of driving, I found that the Ultimate KX80 was a little bit darker and trapped lesser heat than the previous solar foam installed on the windscreen. The price of the Ultimate KX80 is at the low side. I paid $120 for the solar foam including installation. So for me, the Ultimate KX80 is a good solar foam at an affordable price. Therefore, I would highly recommend it if you are not too particular about brands. And that is the end of the episode 2 of the Konan Journey. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to receive updates on my latest episodes. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.